Hi guys, welcome back to the question set 21 of the series. So this question set is a continuation of the previous question set, which is set 20. So now let's get started. The question set 1. What is the highest mark obtained in the first term mathematics subject? So let's see, here we have the search query. Here I have used the next function to get the highest mark, and I have joined three tables, which are student table, subject table, and exam term table. And here are the conditions relevant to the tables. So the highest mark is 90. The answer for the first question is 90. And let's move on to the next one. What is the highest mark obtained in the second term science subject? So this search query is also quite similar to the previous one. Here also I have used the next function and have joined the three tables, and here are the conditions. Let's execute and see. So the highest mark comes as 95. So the answer for the second question is 95. What is the highest mark obtained by the students for all the subjects in the second term? Here also have used the same search query but with different columns. Here I have the question says, what is the highest mark obtained by the students for all the subjects in the second term and the highest mark. So here also I have used the next function and have joined three tables. Here I have renamed the column as highest mark. Now let's execute and see. So the highest mark comes as 98.5. So the answer for the third question is 98.5. The fourth question, which subject got the highest marks in the second term? Here we have to display the subject. Here also I have used inner join to combine the tables. Here I have used subquery to combine these two queries. I have used two subqueries here, in. So now let's execute and see. So singular language and literature, it is the subject with the highest mark. So the fifth question, find the details of the students who got the highest marks in the second term. Find the details of the students who got the highest mark in the second term. So as we move, we also have used subquery and have joined two tables using inner join as well. So now let's execute and see. So here are the details of the student who got the highest mark in the second term test. next question. Sixth question. Find the details of the student who got the highest mark in mathematics in the first term examination and the class in which she is studying. So here we have to display all the details of the students as well as the class. Here also I have used two subqueries, here and here, and also have used InAdjoin to combine tables. So this is the search query, and here also I have used max function to get the highest number from the mark column. And let's see the result. Here we can see the details as well as the class name. So that's it for the question set 21. See you soon.